Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 brake pedal feels soft issue and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A soft or spongy brake pedal in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as the pedal traveling farther than normal, feeling mushy underfoot, or requiring extra pressure to achieve braking. Verified owner reports and service information show that soft brake pedal concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on brake system design, maintenance history, and operating conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause involves air in the brake hydraulic system. Air trapped in brake lines can compress under pressure, reducing pedal firmness and increasing stopping distance, often after brake service or fluid replacement. Another confirmed cause relates to brake fluid condition or level. Low brake fluid due to leaks or degraded fluid that has absorbed moisture can reduce hydraulic efficiency and contribute to a soft pedal feel. Brake hose or line-related issues are also documented factors. Flexible brake hoses can deteriorate internally over time, allowing them to expand under pressure and reducing pedal firmness during braking. Master cylinder wear or internal leakage has also been reported. Worn seals inside the master cylinder can allow fluid to bypass internally, resulting in reduced hydraulic pressure and a soft or sinking pedal. Brake caliper or wheel cylinder issues are another verified consideration. Leaking calipers or wheel cylinders can reduce braking pressure and introduce air into the system, leading to pedal softness. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include excessive brake pad wear, brake component overheating, or improper brake bleeding procedures. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include inspecting the brake system for leaks, bleeding the brake lines to remove air, replacing worn hoses or seals, servicing or replacing the master cylinder when confirmed faulty, and ensuring proper brake fluid type and level. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 soft brake pedal complaints are resolved through brake fluid service or component repair rather than complete brake system replacement. However, experiences vary by model year, brake configuration, and maintenance practices. In conclusion, a Ford F-150 brake pedal that feels soft is typically linked to air in the brake system, fluid-related issues, hose deterioration, or hydraulic component wear. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.